Halo guys, selamat datang kembali di channel Easy Production. Kali ini kita akan mencoba bermain Uncharted 4 Active End ya guys ya. Dimana ini adalah sebuah video game yang dikembangin sama Naughty Dog. Naughty Dog itu pengembang game juga dari Last of Us sama CTR atau Crash Bandicoot ya. Uncharted 4 ini rilis di tahun 2016, tepatnya bulan Mei ya. Jadi kita di sini sebagai pencuri guys, Active End ya, dimana pencuri yang udah pensiun, yang nantinya akan pensiun atau akan berhenti ya dari pekerjaan pencuri itu. Kita di sini akan menggunakan Nathan Drake ya, kita sebagai Nathan Drake. Oke, seperti apa keseruannya game ini? Kita langsung aja menuju dalam gameplaynya guys. I am man of fortune and I must seek my fortune. Henry Avery, 1694. Aku adalah pria yang beruntung dan aku harus mencari keberuntungan itu. Kata-katanya sangat bijak ya guys. Henry Avery, itu siapa Henry Avery?
Crap. This is really not good. Hold on! Nathan! They're gaining on us! I know. We'll crank it! I'm going as fast as I can!
Oke guys, jadi kita udah langsung masuk dalam game ini guys.
Keep heading towards you.
Kita di sini sebagai Nathan ya. Nathan itu yang nyupir kapal ini guys. Kanan kiri. Terus yang di belakang itu si Sam. Oke. Kayaknya ini alur mundur sih guys. Karena kita tiba-tiba main udah langsung di sini aja ya. Oke. Oh, gila. Kita tabrak guys, kita tabrak. Mampus. Grafisnya luar biasa sini guys, gini. Anjir. Tapi kalau dari pengembang Naughty Dog ini udah nggak usah khawatir lah ya guys kalau untuk masalah gamenya, karena dari Last of Us, game-game dari Naughty Dog itu ya, Crash Bandicoot atau CTR itu mempunyai gameplay yang sangat bagus guys. Anjir. Kalau kalian pernah main Crash Bandicoot atau CTR di PS1 itu pengembangnya sama kayak ini ya. Itu game yang sangat klasik, ikonik menurutku sih. Karena kita main pasti zaman SD atau zaman PS1 lah ya guys ya. Oh gila. Oke. Kita di sini main pakai keyboard ya guys ya. Hold to type. Hampir aja guys. Hampir kena baling-baling kapal loh. Jadi kita di sini main pakai keyboard lumayan sih. Lebih enak pakai stick. Oh, mesin kapalnya rusak. Kita di sini bisa nembak guys. Ini kapalnya goyang-goyang baik. Kapalnya goyang-goyang baik. Jadi susah guys kalau untuk nge-aim ya. Karena kapalnya goyang-goyang.
Damn it! More coming! Sam, how's the engine? Come on, go.
Gila. Bentar. Oke,
Working? Head straight to the island.
kapalnya udah jadi ya.
Nathan, Rock, dead ahead. I can barely see out there. Shit! Get them off of us. We're the best I can here.
Kita diem-diem kayak gini juga ditabrak-tabrakin kapal. Di sini juga banyak batu, guys. Kita harus ngindar sih. Kita menuju ke pulau mana ini,
On
guys?
your right. Watch it, watch it. Oh shit! Nathan.
Nathan? Nathan? What are we gonna do with you? You must be tired of these lectures. I know I'm tired of giving them. And now you have to stay here with me all weekend instead of going on the retreat with everyone else?
I don't care.
Yes, that is the crux of the problem.
I don't see why I'm the only one being punished.
Because you started the fight.
He wouldn't give me back my book.
I told you to leave those books in your room. You only have yourself to blame.
Doesn't give him the right to just snatch it from me.
Does that give you the right to start throwing punches?
It wasn't just about the book.
What was it then?
Nothing. I'll save it for confession.
No matter what I try, you seem insistent on going down the same sad road as your brother. What a waste.
Sam!
Oke. Scene berpindah, guys.
I see
Satu, The Lure of Adventure. Jadi scene berpindah dari
Up and around we go.
kapal yang kita hancur, si Nathan, sekarang kita menjadi Nathan kecil ya, guys ya. Dimana ini kayak kita di panti asuhan sih, guys. Ada suster ya, atau biarawati. Dan katanya kita habis berantem, guys, gara-gara seseorang ada yang ngomong ngebalikin buku kita. Itu bukan sebuah tentang buku ya, katanya itu bukan buku biasa. Dan kita berantem, terus dihukum, dimarahin lah ya. Muka kita bonyok, si Nathan mukanya bonyok.
Isn't it our job to help boys like him?
In the meantime, I'm neglecting the other dozen boys under my care.
Oh, itu priestnya, pendetanya ya.
You know my opinion.
I'm not ready to give up on him yet.
You can't keep avoiding it.
Look, I'll talk to him in the morning. Okay?
Good night, Father.
Good night, Sister Catherine.
Kalau di mana? Kalau di Europe ya, kalau di sana itu biarawati dipanggilnya suster ya. Sama pendeta, bapak. Kalau pendeta panggilannya bapak ya. Jadi game Uncharted ini juga karena kepopulernya game ini, guys. Ini udah ada versi filmnya, difilmkan ya. Judulnya juga sama, Uncharted. Yang main siapa, guys? Yang main itu
Gotta get to that window.
Yang main itu nggak tahu siapa lah. Yang main Spider-Man, guys.
Come on. Move it, sister.
Yang main Spider-Man ya. Nggak tahu siapa. Cuma kita nggak akan bahas film. Kita bahas film apa game ini aja, guys. Ya bentar-bentar. Dia ngerokok ternyata susternya. Bersembunyi di sini, tutup pintunya, jendelanya dibuka. Ternyata dia mau ngerokok.
Sister Catherine?
Darn.
Kita mau kabur juga tadi di center katanya sama si Sam ya.
Can you open the gate for me?
Coming, Father.
Oke, kita kabur. Ah, itu si Sam. Oke, kita bisa lompat-lompat kayak gini ya. Kayak monyet sih guys. Bukan monyet lah, Tarzan. Kayak Tarzan. Jadi tiru ya. Ini sangat berbahaya guys, tinggi banget. Oke.
Sam?
Gak bisa. Kelihatan mana? Ini nggak bisa guys. Cari jalan lain. Oh, kita ambil center dulu.
Oh, you gotta learn to watch your back.
Alright.
Hey, it's good to see you, little brother. What is that? Really? Again?
It's nothing.
You told me you'd stay out of
Oh,
trouble.
ini si Sam guys.
He was talking shit about us.
So?
Sam itu yang di prolog pertama kali
Dad dumped us here 'cause
kita
we're
naik
worthless.
kapal
Mom
itu di
isn't
belakang
helping
nembak-nembakin kan.
Nathan, come on, they're just saying it because it gets
Ternyata itu adalah kakak kita.
You just gotta learn to laugh it off.
You wouldn't.
Well, do as I say, not as I do. Here. You'll catch a cold.
So, what are you doing here like this anyway? If the nuns catch you, they're gonna call the cops.
Well, I got something for you, and it couldn't wait till Christmas.
What?
It's outside.
What happened to us staying out of trouble?
This is an exception.
Mm-hmm.
Ini bakalan kabur dari panti asuhan sih bareng si Sam.
Come on. Yeah, give me a hand. Sheesh, you right. The sister's feeding you enough. The place is kind of empty.
Oke, kita kabur guys.
Some Bible retreat.
Yeesh. I remember those. How's Father Duffy doing?
He's the one decent guy in there. You should come and say hi.
Nah,
Nah.
jadi parkour
I don't
guys.
need the guilt. This way. That was easy.
Kita kemana?
Come on. Damn.
You didn't prop it.
I did. At least I thought I did. No, it doesn't matter. We're gonna take the high road.
The high road?
Just follow me. Watch this.
Kalau pakai tali guys.
Oh.
And now, we take the high road.
Have you done this before?
Once or twice.
Ini si net kecil ya. Mukanya bonyok
Here,
gitu
come
guys.
on. Your turn.
Sebentar. Hold. Oh. Hold Q guys. Ini lebih enak pakai stick sih guys. Ya pastilah lebih enak pakai stick ya.
So, what you been up to?
Working mostly.
You still dating that girl?
Oh, Crystal? On again, off again. Currently off again. Okay. No guts. No glory.
Oh, kita lompat ke sana, guys.
Whoa, whoa. Come on, Nathan. Just don't think about it.
Oke. Bentar. Kita bersiap lompat.
I got you. See? No big deal.
Yeah. Nothing to it.
Stay with me.
Akan menjadi petualangan kakak adik ya, guys ya.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, totally.
Through here.
Right behind you.
There's a jump coming up.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, pemandangannya keren banget, guys.
Nice and easy.
Nice and easy.
Oops. Was that a sin? I think that's a sin. You ready, Tarzan?
Oke, kita dulu. Kita pakai ini, guys.
All right, go ahead. Up the steeple. Come on.
I can't jump that high.
All right, just go around the
Oke, kita nggak sampai kalau lewat sana, guys. Kita cari jalan lain. Oke, lewat sini.
It's a nice view, huh?
Yeah. Not bad. You ever been up here before?
This particular roof? No.
But you
Ini game
know where you're
2016
going, right?
tapi
More
udah
or
keren
less.
banget kayak gini, guys ya.
You wait here and you watch me.
Oh, kita disuruh kayak gitu, guys.
Your turn.
Okay.
Sebentar,
You got this. You got this, Nate.
kita pasin dulu, guys. Oke.
All right, go ahead. Just don't overthink it.
Gila ya.
I did it.
Of course you did.
Ya, kita lanjutkan perjalanan. Ini kita kayaknya masih belum keluar dari panti asuhannya sih. Nah, ini gerbangnya, guys, depan, guys.
You know what? How about you take this one?
Really?
Yeah, really. I'll follow your lead.
Oke.
Attaboy, Nathan.
Sekarang kita lompat.
Okay.
Whoa!
Okay.
Ini udah keluar dari gerbangnya itu, guys. Panti asuhannya gede banget ya.
All right. After you.
Yap, kita dari jalan luar.
Just like that, we're out.
All right.
Check it out. Huh?
Whoa, you got the 250?
250? What are you talking about? No, this is the 500cc twin.
No way.
Yeah.
Where'd you lift it from?
Whoa. That's a low blow. But hey, I'll have you know that I am a changed man. Bought this with hard-earned cash. Yeah, come on, take a seat. What?
The only time you pull a stunt like this is when you're trying to make up for something.
You are too smart for your own good, you know that? Alright. I got this job. Pays well. Really well. But, I gotta leave town for a little bit.
What's a little bit?
Like, a year. At the most, and then I'll be back before you even know it, alright?
You're bailing on me.
Come on, don't be so dramatic.
What, so it wasn't bad enough to leave me in that place? How could you do this to me, Sam?
Wait, I'm doing this for you. The money I make is for the both of us. And then in a couple of years, when you're out...
Years? Take me with you.
I can barely support myself.
I'll pitch in.
I know you think the orphanage sucks.
You have no idea.
Yeah, but it's the best thing for you right now. Alright? Just gotta trust me on that one.
It's not fair.
Hey, nothing about our lives has been fair. But we've made it work. Right?
Sure.
Well, you know, the bike wasn't the only surprise. And I guess I'm gonna have to ruin the next one.
What?
I found Mom's stuff. Everything that Dad sold, I tracked down the buyer.
If you're saying this just to make me feel better...
I swear to God.
Where?
On the other side of town. What do you say we go and get it back?
You mean steal it?
It's not stealing if it was ours to begin with.
I'm pretty sure the cops aren't gonna see it that way.
Well, then let's not get caught. You ready for this?
Hell yeah.
Jadi ini kita mau nyuri guys, mau nyuri barang-barang ibu kita katanya yang dijual. Dan ini kita sekarang langsung dalam penjara guys.
You're gonna have to do it better than that, pal.
Acabemos con esto.
Let's go.
Oke, kita berantem guys. Ini kita Nathan Drake ya udah dewasa ya guys.
Chingada, este gringo sabe pelear, ¿eh?
No dejes que este tipo te gane, cuidado.
¡Vuelve ahí!
Dale, vuelve ahí.
A ver cómo te sales de esta, cara.
¡Vuelve ahí!
¿Qué tal esto?
Asshole, let go of me.
¡Agárrenmelo!
Right back at you.
¡Lucha como un hombre!
Tiba-tiba kita udah di penjara aja guys.
¡Toma esto, pendejo!
Put me in, coach.
¡Puedes hacerlo! Esto es por meterte con nosotros.
Tadi terakhir katanya itu sih mau nyuri barang ibu kita yang dijual ya. Terus kita mau ambil lagi. Kayaknya dicuri sih. Setelah pencurian itu kayaknya ini masuk sinet, masuk ke penjara guys.
Shit! Te voy a matar, come mierda.
Oh.
Te voy a cerrar la bocota, gringo.
Get off of me.
¡Ya basta!
Y por favor.
My turn.
Kita pukulin guys.
¡Cagaste, idiota! ¡Suéltame!
Hey, we weren't fighting. Huh? Right, little guy?
Te voy a matar, gringo, come mierda.
Hey, give me a call when you're tall enough to ride the rides.
Te voy a sacar tiras por el culo.
¡Solitaria! ¡Cállalo!
Te voy a estar esperando aquí, ¿eh?
Abre.
Come on.
How long am I supposed to be in here? Huh? Where's the toilet?
You looking at it? Have fun.
I will. Gracias.
Kayaknya ini kita di Spanyol guys. Bahasanya bahasa Spanyol ya. Señorita gitu guys. Iya, setelah kejadian kabur dari panti asuhan, pergi sama kakak kita berencana untuk mencuri barang-barang ibu kita yang katanya udah dijual. Kemungkinan dia masuk penjara ini guys, karena belum diceritain ya kenapa kita masuk penjara, tiba-tiba kita udah masuk penjara aja.
Hey. All right, easy.
All right, cálmate.
Calmate. Infernal place.
Tu culpa, pendejo.
Hey, any chance I can take a shower?
Cállate.
Oh, penjaranya gini ya
Morning,
guys.
boys. Or is it evening? It's hard to tell down here.
Oye, idiota. Get up the stairs. Viene saliendo un prisionero. Abran las
Ini
rejas.
si Vargas guys. Kayaknya kepala sipirnya sih.
Hey, nice to see you.
Kita mau dibawa kemana ini? Si Nathan, Net ya.
Right.
Panggilannya Net.
Humid.
Welcome to
Oh, kita di Panama guys.
Vi lo que hiciste a Gustavo. Tengo un cuchillo que tiene tu nombre, amigo. Te lo
Hey,
mostraré
Vargas.
cuando regreses.
Déjanoslo a nosotros. Nos encargamos de él.
Muévanse.
Panama
Quítense,
emang
cabrones.
bahasanya bahasa Spanyol ya.
Looks like you have some fans.
Yeah, my adoring public.
Go. Abre la reja.
¿A dónde lo llevas?
Es una sorpresa.
Diviértete.
I do speak a little Spanish, you know. Wait, what did you say?
You'll find out soon enough.
Te lo advertí, pero no escuchaste.
Oh, ada yang dipukulin guys. Hello officer.
¿Qué está mirando?
Nada, amigo. Nothing.
Atrás. De este me encargo yo.
Bien.
Hasan mah dipukulin guys. Si Vargas galak banget.
Where are you taking me anyway?
You'll see.
Kemana guys? Vargas. Anjir, kita didorong-dorong loh. Ngapain didorong-dorong? Nah iya bener, kita tadi mau lewat sana loh.
After you.
Yeah, this isn't sketchy at all. Hey, you know, this doesn't look like the warden's office.
Go left.
Yeah, I'm on it.
Iya, saluran pembuangan sih.
Through there.
Through here?
Ini belakang penjara ya.
Here we are.
All right.
Oh, penjara lama itu guys yang di belakang.
Hey, take these cuffs off or what?
I want in.
In?
Whatever you hope to find up there, I want in.
Now, come on, Vargas. The deal was just to get us in and out of here. That's it.
Just? I'm sticking my neck out for you gringos.
Yeah, and Rafe is paying you a lot of money for your trouble.
See? But not nearly enough.
You were told not to open that.
Yes. I was also told not to take bribes, not to bring anyone here, and not to beat on my inmates. But here we are.
Just be careful with that. It's 300 years old.
I was a member of Captain Henry Avery's crew. You know who that is?
He was a pirate.
The pirate who pulled off the biggest heist in history and got away with it. I looked him up.
That's great.
Over
Can we-
$400 million worth of gold and jewels, all from one single ship. The Gunsway.
I'm familiar with the story. Can you get to the point?
I occupied the highest cell in the Spaniards' prison. Here. I hope someday you will find your way into this infernal place, bear my cross, and discover the riches of paradise.
What? What do you want?
The riches of paradise.
It's a metaphor.
No. You and your friends did not pay to get into this infernal place in search of a metaphor. I want in.
Right. I'll tell you what. Let me go up there, check out the prison cell. If there's still anything there after 300 years, you can take this up with Rafe. Now, come on. Letter. Por favor.
How you gonna get up there anyways?
Climb. Oh, unless, of course, you want to do it, since you want in and all.
Just don't break your neck.
That's the plan.
Oke guys,
Hey, did you bring what I asked?
Yeah, hid it just over there, under the work table, by the crates.
jadi kita di sini suruh mencari harta karun dari
There we go.
Henry
piece of cake.
Avery. Itu seorang bajak laut, di mana bajak laut itu katanya bajak laut yang benar-benar sangat bersejarah ya guys ya. Karena bajak laut itu mencuri total senilai 400 juta dolar
Now we're in
Amerika
business.
dalam satu kapal. Yang katanya petunjuknya ada di Infernal Place. Infernal Place itu katanya di sini. Jadi kita si Ned ini kayak pencari harta karun, guys.
There's the prison cell. How do I get up there? Here we go.
Oke. Kita menjadi Tarzan. Henry Avery itu bukannya kata-kata yang pertama kita main itu ya? Yang aku akan mencari keberuntungan. Aku adalah pria beruntung yang akan mencari keberuntungan sendiri. Itu kan kata-kata Henry Avery. Itu ternyata adalah bajak laut ya. Oh shit.
Wait till Sam hears about this.
Itu seperti monyet sih ini guys.
Onward and upward.
Oh gila, pemandangannya keren banget guys. Wow. Kita lihat sini ya. Jadi belakang penjara ini adalah pantai lepas ya.
Now, I've got to find the highest cell.
Oh bentar, nggak lewat sana lebih enak ini guys.
These Burns had a nice view before he was executed.
Oke, kita masuk.
Hard to believe there were dozens of pirates holed up in here just waiting to be hanged. Okay, where to?
Ini apa guys?
Yeesh.
September 1696. Oh. Jadi teman-teman kalau mau baca pause aja ya guys ya. Tinggal di pause aja. Kita mau jelasin semuanya juga banyak banget guys. Sebentar. Cold key. Oh, kita tarik. Weh. Kita lewat sana ya. Ya ampun. Sebentar guys.
Can barely believe this place is still standing. Spanish sure knew how to build a sturdy prison. Alright, not gonna lie. This is pretty awesome.
Tinggi banget ini loh. Oh, kita kayak pemanjat tebing guys.
Oh man, Sam is missing out. Here we go. Burns' cell. Cell? More like a suite. Okay. Where to begin? Sun and moon.
Matahari dan bulan.
Alchemy symbols for gold and silver. Wait a sec. I saw something like this on the letter.
Oke. Kita buka letternya.
Well, that's part of the symbol. Ah, there's the other half. Now then. That's more like it. Okay, got a
Oh, zodiac
symbol.
simbol ya, Sagittarius sama Scorpio.
Scorpio sign.
Gini ya, sama Scorpio ini 2 guys, X sama 2. Ah, ini X2 ini.
All these squiggles and scratches must mean something. 10 and 2. X and II.
Jadi ini bakalan kisahnya menarik sini guys. Ini perjalanan kita mencari harta karun milik Henry Avery, yang dimana dia membawa 400 juta dolar. Oh, apa itu, nggak tahu artinya guys. Jadi si sipir ini juga tergila-gila sama harta karun itu guys. Makanya kita disuruh untuk nyari sesuatu di sini ya. Oke, cuma ini kayaknya kita dapat sih guys. Kita kembali guys. Kembali sama si Vargas.
Gotta watch that first step.
Hold key.
Down we
Okay.
go. Huh. Now what? Whoa!
Oh, bentar.
Careful.
Oh, gila sih guys.
One more time.
Lompat.
Yeah, see Rafe do that.
Gila si Vargas malah ketawa aja guys. Dia kayak monyet serius kita ya. Keren banget sih.
Ah, there goes my shoulder.
Mana si Vargas? Oh, di sana.
I want a cut. I want in. I'll give you in.
Oke. Ini udah mau patah ini guys, bahaya guys. Oh, kita harus ke sana ya.
Oh crap! No! Whoa!
Oke, kayak Tarzan kan? Keren sih gamenya.
Now we're talking.
You made it. What'd you find? Drake? What?
Place was picked clean. If there's a clue hidden up there somewhere, I couldn't find it.
Are you sure? Were you looking in the right place?
Maybe I missed something in the letter. It could have been another tower that collapsed centuries ago.
Mierda.
There any plans to this place? You know, like blueprints?
Could be. There's a bunch of old files.
Okay, great. Go look through those, okay? See what you can dig up. Meanwhile, I'll talk to Sam. He's our Avery expert. Maybe he can make sense of this whole mess.
Right. I'll look through the files.
Yeah.
Turn around.
Tuh si Vargas disuruh mencari filenya guys. Padahal kita udah nemu salah satu salib ya. Tapi kita diem aja. Si Sinet itu nggak ngomong sama si Vargas.
When you're done talking to him, come and find me.
You got it.
Gringo, if I catch you fighting one more time, 1 week in the hole for you.
Nice acting, Vargas.
Nice acting. Acting yang sangat bagus ya dari Vargas. Oh, judi. Judinya taruhannya rokok guys. Ini si Sam ya.
hijo de puta.
Kakaknya si
Lo
ini guys.
siento, chicos. Tengo que
Net
irme.
ya.
Claro, te vas cuando estás ganando.
Párate, Jesus, they worked you over good. You all right?
Just another day at the office. Come on.
Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. You're not gonna keep me in suspense, are you?
You were right.
No, we were right.
No.
We just gotta find Rafe.
No,
and-
Rafe.
Don't start, please.
Oh, come on. Like you said, we did this. You and me. Now this rich asshole comes in on the tail end.
How long have we been trying to get in here?
We had some leads.
No, we didn't. Okay, not one. So like it or not, no Rafe, no Vargas, and no getting in here.
Speaking of Vargas, we got a problem.
What kind of problem? Did he let you into the old prison?
Yeah, he did.
All right.
After he read the letter.
Oh, ini si Rafe guys. Katanya orang
So how much
kaya
does he
ini
know?
guys.
Enough that he wants a cut.
Shit. Rafe, if anybody else finds out about this,
I'll work it out with Vargas. Don't sweat it. Right now, let's get on to more important matters.
All right. Let's find somewhere a little more private.
Jadi ini bertiga ini ya mencari harta karun guys, harta kirun. Harta kirunnya si Henry Avery.
all right, coast is clear.
Okay, so what do we got?
Oh shit.
Huh? Hey,
May I?
just be careful, okay?
Wood with gold and silver inlay. It's well made. It's hollow. Why would one of Avery's men go through the trouble of hiding a cheap crucifix?
It's not a crucifix. Technically, a crucifix is a representation of Jesus. It's not Jesus.
Well, you're right. There's no crown of thorns. He's tied to the cross. Well, if it's not Jesus, then
Read the inscription.
Digna factus recipimus. We receive
the due rewards of our deeds.
Look at you.
It's a benefit of growing up in a Catholic orphanage. That's St. Dismas.
Oh itu Saint Dismas guys, bukan Yesus ya.
What's the connection?
Guys, let's just pretend I skipped all of Sunday school.
Okay, during the crucifixion, Jesus is placed between two thieves, okay? One of them mocked Jesus. The other one, this guy, was penitent. He accepted his punishment with grace.
And Jesus brought him to paradise.
Penitent thief.
Iya.
Yeah.
Jadi ketika Yesus disalib itu bareng sama dua orang pencuri guys.
You figured it out.
Yang satu pencuri yang mengaku kesalahannya itu namanya Saint Dismas. Terus ada satu lagi pencuri yang nggak mau ngaku kesalahannya.
Coincidence.
Itu belum tahu namanya siapa ya.
You know, I had my doubts.
Benar atau enggaknya, mohon maaf kalau salah ya guys ya.
Let's find Vargas.
Tapi ini yang dikisahin di sini, dimana ketika Yesus disalib itu bareng sama dua pencuri.
Let me guess, this is the guy you picked a fight with?
Didn't know he had so many friends.
Le dije que no habíamos terminado.
Mira, ya nos ganaste, ¿ok?
Muy tarde para hablar. ¡Aquí no sales!
Hey, you know what?
Tú no te metas.
Okay.
Oh kita berantem lagi guys. Aduh gila.
Jesus, did you have to pick on the most popular guy in this joint?
I didn't hear you volunteer.
Guys, save it for later.
Ke Smackdown guys.
How you doing, little brother? I'm good. I'm good for now. Remember, jab, strike.
Oh.
What am I doing here, guys? Take this so we can get out of here.
Aduh. Segundul.
What the hell, guys?
Oh. Kalau di penjara berantemnya bener-bener acak-acakan ya guys ya. Sepungnya berantem guys, sepungnya. Aduh.
Sam, need some help here.
Ini si Gundul ini. Ini musuh kita ya yang dari awal itu di luar itu udah berantem. Oh.
¿Estás muerto?
Oh.
Hey, get off! Ay, espera.
Ya basta de hablar.
Si Vargas datang.
Alguien más necesita que le recuerde las reglas. ¡Alíñense!
Si Vargas datang tepat waktu ya.
¿Qué es esto?
Dame. Are you bringing in contraband?
Vargas.
¡Cállate! Who do you think you are? Llévalo a su celda.
Wah, ketahuan
Trae
guys.
los gringos a mi oficina. Déjanos. Déjennos.
Took you long enough. We almost got killed, you know?
You still might.
Vargas? Seriously?
Oh, I didn't find anything. It must be in a different tower. Well?
What can I say? I was raised Catholic. I always carry one.
Funny.
Hey, look. It's worthless, all right?
You think I'm an idiot?
Okay, you want to renegotiate? Fine. Stop acting like a third world thug. Put the gun away. Thank you. We're willing to give you 10%.
Think half.
We're doing most of the work, 20, and you'd never find it without us.
25 equals
25. Does that sound fair, guys?
Suppose I can live with that.
Sure. I mean, 400 million divides nicely by 4.
Looks like we have a deal.
Yes, we have a deal. And if you ever cross me again...
Jesus.
That's that.
Are you out of your goddamn mind?
You want to find out?
Guys, what are we doing here?
We're sticking to the plan.
Was this part of the plan?
Just follow me.
Come on. Come on!
Kita save dulu guys.
Damn it.
Oke, mungkin sampai sini dulu aja ya guys ya. Perjalanan Ned atau Nathan Drake bareng sama si Sam dan siapa tadi guys namanya guys yang satunya yang kayak raya ya, Rev ya. Ternyata akhirnya si Rev itu membunuh si Vargas dan kita akan diburu sama seluruh penjara di sipir-sipir penjara di situ ya, di Panama. Oke. Mungkin kisahnya akan lanjut di part selanjutnya. Terima kasih buat teman-teman semuanya yang udah nonton dari awal sampai akhir. Jangan lupa like and subscribe dan see you di next video guys. Bye bye and keep easy.